So what we're going to be doing today, ISR short throw shifter and the P2M short hub and quick release to go along with the Enjuku Racing drift wheel. I'm going to remove the seat. Going to start taking apart this front end because, as you guys know, I'm going to go ahead and do the kooky swap. I was half tempted not to do it because the Zenki is very underappreciated, I guess you could say. I don't know what you want to call it, but I don't know. For me personally, so this bumper is pretty badly beat. If I'm going to start buying body kit pieces, I don't love the Zenki front end. So if I can switch it, I'm going to. So kooky front end is going to be in the works. If it takes me 2 years to do it, it's going to take me 2 years to do it. Whatever, I don't care. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started on this now, and then catch back up with you guys here in a little bit. Alright, so as you guys can see, boot was busted, and just overall not a great piece. Very, very covered in grease here, you can see. And we'll go ahead and get the new one installed. Okay, now granted, the previous owner did mention to double check the fluid in the transmission. Did not say to double check the screws, the bolts on the shifter going into the transmission itself. This is what I'm dealing with. You see that movement? Yeah. I thought I had a bad shift linkage or possibly just a bad shifter. No, it's actually loose bolts. Really loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one taken off and put the ISR Performance short throw version 2 shifter on. So that is probably the biggest change I've ever felt on this car. ISR Performance has really knocked it out of the park with the shifter. I mean, it don't get any better than that, you guys. Like, that's just... I might start it, roll it back and forth, make sure that the gears are actually engaging, and then I'll go ahead and get all the boot put back on, the shift boot, get everything put back on panel wise, and then I'll see if I can't figure out this steering wheel. Right now I think I'll be okay though. This is a nice little install for you guys. Not 100% intuitive, but I think I'll go ahead and give you guys this video. Nice little install, and then I'll figure out with this quick release. This will probably be our next video. But on that note, you guys, like and subscribe. Remember to live. Peace.